Hey everyone, my name's Dave, this is Custom Spray Mods, and today I'm going to be painting using a brand new DeVilbiss spray gun, the DV1 Clear Coat. This is a clear coat gun, so yeah, it's all new. It's got a new air cap, it's black, it's got gold parts on it, looks pretty awesome. DeVilbiss sent this over so I could have a go and see what I thought, so I'm going to paint this hood and see what I think. Now I've already got the base coat gun, so I'm going to use that for the base coat, I'm going to use the clear coat gun for the clear coat. See how we go. Now before I get started painting this bonnet, this hood had a dent in the front of it, so I'm just going to repair that, prime it, sand it, then I can start my base and clear. But I'll put that in another video, so stay tuned for that if you want to see the whole process. This video, we'll just see how the gun goes. Check it out. So this is it, the DV1 Clear Coat spray gun. It is black, it's got a matte satin finish. This one has the air regulator, the digital air regulator on the top. It also comes with 3 different nozzles. It's got a 1.1, 1.2 and a 1.3mm nozzle and the Clear Coat HVLP air cap. So yeah, I've got the 1.3mm nozzle in there. Let's see how it goes. So I'm spraying a black pearl. This is Subaru Obsidian Black. I'm going to use the DV1 base coat gun to apply the base coat. So I'm just going to spray 4 coats of base over the hood and then I'll be ready for my clear coat. So yeah, the DV1 base coat gun actually does the job really well. I'm not normally spraying cars or trying to match a paint finish, but as far as laying down base coat, the DV1 base coat gun does the job really good. So I like it. Now that the base coat's down, it's time to spray some clear. I'm going to use the Concept 2K HS Pro Clear and I'm going to mix that 3:1 and make sure the viscosity is correct so I've got the right amount of flow through the gun. Now I'm just testing the air pressure, and when the air regulator reads 2 bar at the base of the gun, it actually reads a little bit different at the top of the gun where the digital air regulator is. The air regulator at the top of the gun is actually more accurate because when you adjust your fan, it adjusts the air pressure coming out of the gun. So if your fan is all the way in, for example, then it's going to read the correct air pressure. But as you wind the fan out, it's going to change the air pressure. So the air pressure at the fan is actually the correct air pressure to work off. So it's actually pretty good that it's up there. That way you know you're using the correct air pressure when you're spraying. So I've sprayed my first coat of clear and this is my second coat, and I'm going to go quite a bit slower to try and get that finish nice and wet. And because I've sprayed that first coat, it's given me something for the clear to bite into and basically minimize any runs. So I can go slower now that I've got that first coat down. So the settings I'm using, I've got the fluid nozzle wound as far out as I can and the fan pretty much wound out as far as I can as well. I'm using about 1.5 bar and basically just spraying nice and slow, and it feels really good. I don't have any indication that the paint is going to run. Basically it looks really nice and wet as I'm putting it down, and it makes it really easy to paint with this gun. I'm painting this vertical panel and don't even have to think about getting any runs. So that's really put your mind at ease kind of thing. So the final result, the clear coat looks really good. I mean, it's got a good amount of peel, it's nice and even. The gun feels really nice to use. It's really confidence building. On these vertical panels, you really don't have to think about your technique too much. Compared to the GTI Pro or the GTI Pro Lite, I reckon it's a lot easier to get the clear coat on than those guns. Basically, the way it atomizes the paint, the feel of the gun, and the delivery, I reckon it is an improvement on the GTI Pros. So yeah, if you're looking for something that can give you really good confidence spraying that clear coat, then I reckon the DV1 clear coat gun is really good. So this spray gun will cost over $800 if you get the version that has the digital air regulator. So it might be a bit expensive, but if you're painting every day and you want to upgrade on the GTI Pro, then I reckon it's worth it. Now I don't usually do reviews on spray guns or tools and things like that because I pretty much like everything that I use. But if you have a problem with applying clear coat, if you struggle with getting runs, then I definitely think this gun will help minimize that problem, especially if you're a beginner. It will definitely give you the confidence to spray that clear and not worry about getting runs. The way it delivers the clear and atomizes that clear, I reckon it'll make it a lot easier for you if you're a beginner. So for a bit more info and pricing on these spray guns, you can just go to our website, customspraymods.com.au or vgautopaints.com.au, and you can check out the info there, or you can buy it from there. Otherwise, you can get it from your local supplier and enjoy the gun. Thanks. Well, there you go. That was the review of the DeVilbiss DV1 clear coat gun. Now, I'm just going to keep the gun because I really like it. I'm going to use it, but I'll also use it in my lessons. I do spray painting lessons here at VG Auto Paints. We go over how to repair a dent, how to spray primer, color, and clear coat, and we also go over how to sand and buff your clear coat to get that nice finish. Now, it's for beginners, so it's a basic course. But yeah, I'll use these guns in the course. So if you're in the area and you want to learn how to do some basic spray painting and some basic dent repair, then you can come on over to VG Auto Paints and come and do one of my lessons. And it's basically like YouTube, but in real life. So yeah, I want to thank the guys at DeVilbiss, the sales rep that dropped this off to me. Yeah, it's a great gun. I like it. And if you want to have a go, pop over to VG Auto Paints. And you can come and test it out anytime. So yeah, see you next time.